The snow is gone, so it's time to get the boat out of storage. Here are 3 things I do before getting on the water. The first thing we're going to do is change the oil in the lower unit. To do that, you'll need oil, an oil pump, a flathead screwdriver,
funnel and an oil pan,
and some cardboard.
Place some cardboard under the motor, then position the funnel and the oil pan under the lower unit.
Then unscrew these 2 screws, starting with the top screw. Make sure you don't drop either screw into the oil pan. Then unscrew the bottom screw. This will allow the old oil to drain. Once the oil is drained, insert the pump into the bottom hole and pump until oil comes out of the top hole. Once that happens, screw in the top screw. Next, you'll unscrew the pump and quickly replace it with the bottom screw. Make sure you do not over-tighten. Clean up any oil you spilled, and you're done. Now, we're going to lube up the prop shaft. I like to use this marine grease. To do that, we're going to pull out this little pin. It can be tricky, so be patient. Using a needle nose pliers makes this job a little bit easier. Next, unscrew this nut and pull the prop off. Inspect the shaft and make sure everything looks good. After it's inspected, wipe off any grime or dirt that may be present. Then, be generous with the grease. Put the prop back on. Screw on the nut and replace the pin. Now we're going to gas up the boat and get it started. Since this is a 2-stroke motor, we'll have to mix oil in with the gas. I use this handy oil measuring device that I found at Fleet Farm. There's a little chart on the back that tells you how much oil to add based on the amount of gasoline. Since I just put in 2 gallons of premium non-ethanol gas, I need 5 ounces of oil for a 50-to-1 ratio.
Pour the oil in, mix it up a bit, and connect the fuel line to the motor.
Then I'll connect these boat earmuffs, run the water, and see if I can get it started. Is there anything I missed? Anything you'd do differently? Let us know in the comments below. If you learned anything new, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.